What a going goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. Today I'm going to be making some natural juice. So it's a juice with me day, so stick around and juice with me. So goodies, here I have some carrots, cucumber, some beetroot and some pineapples that I'll be juicing. I'll be adding ginger and lemon as well. So just watch me juice. So the beetroot gonna go with the carrot and the cucumber is gonna go with the pineapple. You can add celery and green apple to the cucumber pineapple. That's a great combo. Add your ginger and your lemon to both of them. So goodies, you don't want to throw away your roughage. Do not throw away your roughage. Keep your roughage, and you can use the carrot roughage to make a cake. You can also use the beetroot roughage to make a cake. Do not throw them away, okay? After you finish juicing everything, then you make your combo. So you add the carrots with the beetroot, and then you're going to be adding your pineapples with your cucumber, add the ginger, and also add your lemon juice. Do not add any water. Let me know what you think about my juice with me. Please subscribe to the channel for more amazing healthy recipes. Until next time, God bless you.